The number one killer of your YouTube ad spend is going to be children. That's right. Those lovable, huggable, precious little eating machines are going to destroy your YouTube ad spend. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why it happens and how to prevent it from happening to your campaigns. So stick around. Okay, so here we are. We are inside a live active campaign for account for YouTube. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to find where your placements are, like how to find where your ads are showing up, and then how to exclude kids, like kid programs from your account. So basically you wanna go to hover over campaigns and then click on your campaign, go to your campaign level, and then we go all the way down to our ad level. And then once we're at ad level, we come over here, hover over campaigns again, go to insights and reports, click on that, when and where ads showed, click on that. And as you can see here, out of 793 clicks, 727 came from mobile devices. That's why I was saying, like, most traffic's coming from mobile phones these days. Okay. So what we want to do is up here where it says where ad showed, we click on that. And depending on your date range, this will be exactly where all your ads are being shown. So this is where you'll see, fetching Blue's Clues or Cocoa Melon or whatever. So you want to just get a quick look at where you're getting most of your impressions from. If they're coming from like movies or news stations or channels that look pretty decent, then you're looking good, okay? But if you start seeing like a bunch of like kids nonsense, well, that's not so good and you're having an issue. So how do we prevent that? Okay, well, it's very easy. What you want to do is you come over here, you go to tools, you go to content suitability. You click on content suitability and it'll come up here. So I always have standard inventory. That's fine, not standard, but it's down here. Okay. So you have excluded sensitive content. I don't worry about that. For excluded types and labels, all right, I always have these three things excluded. So below the fold, park domains, embedded YouTube videos, I always have all those. But here is where the most important part is. Okay. This right here, excluded content themes, content suitable for families, games and more games, right? You want to take content suitable for families and all these games. That way you're not showing up on Dan TDM or whatever gaming shows that kids watch or Blue's Clues, Bluey, whatever. You want to click all three of those, you hit save, and that goes across your entire account. So when you create a campaign, it's automatically going to exclude this content from your campaign. So that's going to save you lots of money and save you lots of headache. And that's how easy it is to save your YouTube campaigns from being destroyed by children. So if you like this content, guys, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. It really helps my channel grow. I'm trying to get it to 2,000 subscribers before the end of the year. So if you could do that, it'd be super helpful. I'm posting more and more content regularly now. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.